QuickBooks reports not showing memo or description. Let's fix this. Method 1. Run the web browser in incognito mode. Method 2. Operate a different web browser application. Method 3. Ensure that you have added memo and description for various transactions. Step I. Review the added banking transactions. Method 3. Step 2. Add the memo and description through the register. Method 4. A. Properly customize your reports to display Memo 1. Customize the transaction by date report. Method 4. B. Modify the transaction detail by account report. Method 4C. Reorganize the sales by customer detail report. Method 5. A. Reconfigure the general ledger report settings if you find QuickBooks reports not showing memo or description. Method 6. A. Refresh your web browser after saving the description entry. Need more guidance? Visit our article at www.a2autocare.com or call us at this number. Thank you for watching the video.